Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy COOKMAS Day 29. Only a couple days left and we complete this COOKMAS. Thanks again, you guys, for hanging out with me so far. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a tasty little appetizer. We're going to go ahead and make some BLT crostinis. So this is going to take all the flavors you will find in a BLT, which of course is a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. We're going to put it into a tiny appetizer form that's going to give you all the same fabulous flavors that a BLT sandwich would bring. And it's quick and easy, guys. So hopefully you are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, these are the BLT crostini. Hopefully you did enjoy this recipe. I definitely recommend you give it a try. The flavors are so good. It does taste just like a BLT with the bacon, the lettuce, and the tomato. You can serve these either hot or cold. It doesn't matter. And the mixture that we put on top of the crostini, it just melted so well into that bread with that cheese and the bacon and the onion. Definitely a flavor meld, guys, that you want to try. And then we topped it off with a little bit of that lettuce and the tomato. Gives it a nice freshness. Guys, trust me, give these a try. So if you did enjoy today's recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.